on his own. Kaya depende. Calendar of activities lang ito. Ba't kayo kasi masyado nakatitig at fixated sa impeachment court kung kailan sila magsusuot ng robe? Hindi naman mahalaga yun. Maraming mahalagang bagay na mangyayari at magaganap bago nun at pagkatapos nun.
Pero sir, yung June 3 po na pagsumpa po ninyo, hindi pa kayo impeachment court nun, sir? Pag nag-oath taking kayo as Senator Judge?
Darling, walang kinalaman ng pagsumpa sa impeachment court. The impeachment court would have to convene on a date certain. It's not the oath taking that will determine when the impeachment court will be created. Yung impeachment court, pag nag-convene kami sa impeachment court, doon uupo sa impeachment court yon, regardless of when we took our oaths. In fact, yung labing dalawa na magpapatuloy hanggang 2028, hindi na nga mag-o-oath. So, ibig sabihin ba nun, walang impeachment court? Hindi naman din. Wala siyang kinalaman doon. It has no relation to that. It depends on when and how the gavel is banged at kung anong sinabi na kino-convene. Impeachment court ba o Senate ba? That's what will determine when the impeachment court will be convened. Yung pagpukpok ng gavel. Yes.
Sir, according to the letter that was shared on your Viber GC, ang schedule ng trial by June 30 is from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
That's what we're proposing, but again, this is a